Hey folks, welcome to the Wealth Transfer with TC. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick video on AMC. Today is the last day that you can actually purchase AMC in order to get your APE dividend. Alright, now before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing information, giving you my thoughts and my opinions on that information. If you guys like these videos that I make, the support links are down below in the description and also the About section of YouTube. Alright folks, so it is August the 19th. And we're getting ready to really get back into things here. I've had to take some time off to deal with a couple things, and I am back. All right, so right now, currently, AMC is sitting at $17.80. It is down approximately 8.5% today. All right, so we did see a run-up to about $25 to $27, somewhere around there. And you know, we already know that the hedge funds, they're going to try to do everything they can to bring down the price of AMC. Just to give you guys a quick example, AMC Tattooed on Twitter, he posts every day how much, what is going on with AMC and actually how much is actually going off exchange. So you can see here, most of the volume of AMC is actually in dark pools, which is absolutely ridiculous, which means that AMC is not getting the buying pressure that it should receive on a daily basis. So this is one of the reasons why, that's why I took up that fight when I first found out about what was going on with AMC and, you know, Robinhood and all the platforms shutting off the buy button and just so much manipulation. All right, so just to kind of go over just a little bit about this AMC Preferred Equity Unit APE dividend, right? So however many AMC stocks you own, you're going to get APE, and that price is basically going to be split down the middle. Okay, that's from the way that I understand this. And the most important date, the dividend payment date is Friday, August the 19th, after the close of business. Important ex-dividend date, Monday, August 22nd, 2022, the first trading day after dividend payment. If an investor sells your common stock on NIS before the ex-dividend date of August the 22nd, 2022, that investor will not be entitled to the AMC Preferred Equity Unit dividend on those shares of the common stock that are sold. So basically, you just need to hold on to your AMC stocks. So at this point, there's not really, you guys need to do anything but hold on to your AMC shares, right? And the reason why this is being done, they're only issuing out at this time 516,820 million APE shares. And so what is actually supposed to take place in this? That means that this should expose any illegal or fake AMC shares. All right, so that's been one of the biggest things that we've all been saying for the longest time, that these trading platforms and these hedge funds and the banks are creating synthetic shares to make money off of the retail trader. And so by creating these additional synthetic shares, this whole thing with APE should settle the issue once and for all, even though that we know that there's plenty of synthetic shares and this SEC is doing absolutely nothing about it. This whole thing with the APE dividend should shed some light on the synthetic shares. The AMC Preferred Equity Units, the APE shares, should start trading between 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and noon Eastern Time on August the 22nd. Because the AMC Preferred Equity Unit is designed to have the same economic value and voting right as a share of common stock, in theory, the common stock and AMC Preferred Equity Unit should have similar market values, and the impact of the AMC Preferred Unit dividend should be similar to a 2-to-1 stock split. All right, so say for instance, by the end of the day, let's say by the end of the trading day today, it ends up at $18, right? So that, which means that come Monday, that your AMC share is going to be $9 and your APE dividend is going to be $9. So it's actually going to be an opportunity for a lot of people if you wanted to average down on your AMC. You know, APE itself, I have no idea where this price is going to go with it. And, you know, a lot of people were excited about the APE crypto, and that took off, all right? And I think a lot of people are going to be very excited about the APE dividend, and it's going to be tradable And from what I understand, Robinhood at first saying that we're not going to support it, that the only option you had was to sell it. And then later on, they ended up going back and changing that and saying it will be tradable. You can buy and sell. Now, there's no point of really me buying any ape shares if I'm already going to get one, unless somehow it drops below that $9 mark or whatever, right? So if it happens to open up at $9 trading, AMC opens up at $9, and ape happens to fall down to $5, then you know what? Then that might be something I might consider, is buying ape shares. Now, I don't know as far as AMC. I think that if it does fall below $9, it's just an opportunity to average down, because this is basically a fight that most people really don't understand. We can talk about corruption within the stock market, but the only way that we can fight it right now, and the way that Wall Street Bets and other groups, and the only way that they can fight the hedge funds and the SEC and all that, the only way they can do that is to basically buy and to hold onto these certain stocks like AMC and GME, and continue to work the strategy with those companies to bring about justice within the stock market. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen or what's going to take place, but I will continue to hold my AMC, and I'm also going to hold my ape. And who knows where it's going to go. But at any point in time, folks, and this is with any stock or any crypto, if any of your stocks or cryptos end up in a life-changing moment for you and your family, take advantage of the opportunity. All right? Because, I don't know what's going to happen with AMC. I don't know what's going to happen with ape. Ape, for all we know, could end up dropping down to $5, or could explode, for all we know. But if that does happen over the next couple weeks and you see life-changing finances, please take advantage of that. So hopefully, folks, we will see this AMC wealth transfer is something that we've been looking forward to since 2021. And the funny thing is that when AMC went up by 10% earlier in the week, they halted AMC from going up, right? But then there were other stocks that were going up 25, 100% before they would halt those stocks. So we know that, once again, they're doing everything they can to stop this wealth transfer from coming through. And it's going to come through, and it's just going to take patience. So anyways, folks, that is all I have for this. I have a lot more videos coming. We're getting right back on track and preparing ourselves for this wealth transfer. So right now, folks, all we have to do is just be patient. We're kind of just in this waiting period when it comes to, especially the cryptocurrency markets. We're all waiting for this financial tsunami to come in so that we can take advantage of that and put ourselves into a position of building up our storehouses, taking care of what we need to take care of, or if we need to move for your ministry, to get yourself out of debt, and many other things. And those are the things that we are waiting for the first part of this wealth transfer. And you guys already know this wealth transfer is not just one event, right? It's going to be multiple events over a period of number of years. And that's what I believe. And the more and more I look at what's going on with the wealth transfer, and the more God is speaking prophetically, this is not something that's going to happen overnight. And there are so many wealth transfers and so many investment opportunities God wants us to be a part of. There's really no excuse for any of us halfway through the wealth transfer to be in debt or be broke or anything like that. So anyways, that is all that I have for you today. I thank you guys for listening. God bless. TC out.